Hey everyone, welcome to this week's video. So I thought I would take you a little bit through how I schedule out my weeks to show you how I'm dividing up my time and getting everything done. It's as you know, a little bit of a puzzle, balancing act, circus. I don't know, it changes from day to day. So you can see here, I start my day every day with my morning routine. Now my morning routine is pretty expensive. This morning I woke up kind of late, so my morning routine is getting cut down a little bit. But basically my morning routine is, first thing I do when I wake up is I meditate. And then I go learn something. And it can just be 10, 15 minutes doing a worksheet from a free download that I got or something like that. Or I'm in a lot of different courses, so I have a lot of different areas to learn. So I kind of schedule out my days like that. You know, Monday I do my Ayurveda, my meditation. Tuesdays I do CRP and so on and so forth. So I make sure that I'm learning something first thing in the morning. And then after that, that's when I take my shower. I do my personal grooming and all that good stuff. And then after that, I'll sit down with my journal for a little bit. And I do coffee or tea or whatever I'm drinking in the morning. Golden milk is really, really good if you haven't tried that. It's just warm milk with turmeric. Very, very delicious and very, very good for you. And then after I do my journals, I have several different journals to break up my mind a little bit. And then after my journals, I usually have breakfast and then do some yoga. And that's how I start my day, so that by the time I sit down for my client work and just down and do my actual client work for the day, I know exactly what I'm doing. So my client work I do in one of my journals is a bullet journal. So it helps me to organize out my client work. So by the time I sit down, I know exactly what I need to do. Now, once I sit down and actually do it, what I do is I set a timer. I use that little tomato timer, Pomodoro, sorry, wrong language. I use the Pomodoro timer to kind of tell me, okay, you know, I allotted 15 minutes for this portion of for this client, for this project. Did I actually spend that time? Did I go over? So on and so forth. So, and it's okay if I go over, by the way. It's not like, oh my goodness, I have to start and stop. So I make sure that I kind of use that technique to keep me on track. Otherwise, I won't get through all my clients for the day. And I also make sure that I'm not scheduling out 5 hours worth of work when I know I only have 2 hours dedicated to my clients for that day. For client work, shouldn't say do that, I should have to my clients. So you'll see here, I mean, I have appointments mixed in here and there. So whenever there's appointments, obviously that changes the schedule a little bit, but I just make sure that I sit down and work through that. But generally in the afternoons, if I have time, I'll clean the house. That doesn't always happen. If not, it's just work straight through. And then after that, I usually in the afternoons try to do some marketing and work on my retreat. So this could be like today, I'm finally finalizing the brochure, I hope, for the retreat. I'm marketing. That's where I'm, you know, posting my video for the day. I'm up, you know, working on my blog post for the day, so on and so forth. So there's a lot of different, I have a huge list, and actually you have that in another video. There's a lot of different things that I do to market every day. And then I try to get to my farm at least once a day. This gets me out. This is a nice long walk for me. It gets me out in nature. It gets me planting. It gets my hands a little dirty. It gets me away from computers and technology. So that's a really, really good way for me to just kind of disconnect. And if I don't have anything to do on the farm that night, which never happens, I just go for a walk with the dogs. And sad benefit, it keeps the dogs like nice and tired in the evening because I have a 4-month-old puppy. And so she sleeps all night. Well, that's always a good bonus. Sometimes I do appointments in the evening as well, just based on my time zones. And then after that, I do my evening routine. My evening routine is, again, you know, some personal grooming, getting myself ready, then generally meditating, and then looking and organizing my day for the next day. So what are the big things that I need to do? So that by the time I get to my journals in the morning, I already know the stuff I have to do. It's right there for me. It's just a matter of putting it in proper order for me, for what's going to work for the day. And then I generally turn everything off. I have my Kindle, but I have that yellow screen on the Kindle, and I'll sit down and basically read until I fall asleep, essentially. And that's my evening routine. Now, my weekends are a little bit different. My weekends, as you can see, are beach, market, shopping, anything in orange, by the way. This is my sacred time. This is my don't touch it time. This is my me time. I make sure I block out a nice morning to spend with my husband so that if he doesn't want to go to the beach with me in the afternoon, doesn't matter, at least, you know, I got some time in for him. Husbands are important too. Then I also blocked out some time to plan my week. So to set this up, and these are not like reoccurring appointments there because they change every week. So I never know, like next week, you know, I've got different appointments in different spots. So things are going to change a little bit. You know, there's a couple appointments that are going to happen that aren't even in here still. So I make sure that I kind of block out the times there. Actually, this I can even delete because it's not needed anymore. So it used to be needed, it's no longer needed, so I can take that out because it's just messy. Okay, so orange is secret time. Green is anything with my clients. And this should not be green, this should be blue. Blue is anything to do with the house. That's kind of like my errands and that kind of stuff. My wifey tasks is what I like to call them. And then purple, that's kind of my admin stuff, the marketing, the working on the retreat, working on the business, I should say. And so that's how I kind of divide out my time through the week. And again, on Sunday nights, I sit down and I do this beautiful little color puzzle to make sure that everything works. And then each day I just know I can pop in and go into my planners and my journals and so on and so forth. And it helps to kind of guide me. And like I said, this is what it looks like today. It might look something like this. Tomorrow I adjust it based on what did happen when I wake up. So you never know. So that's a little bit about how I plan my weeks, my days, so on and so forth, and little routines that help me get through it all. If you have any questions, just let me know. See you later. Bye.